Hello, this is Nick with Digital Wood Studios, and in this video, I'm briefly going to go over the differences in the handles that we provide for the BowFlex SelectTech 552 Series 2 and the 1090 models. So just some key characteristics, some differences to note in case there's any confusion on what you need to order. Looking at these handles and comparing to what you have, as well as some of our other product videos, may help. But right off the bat, the 552s are, for the Series 2 specifically, are a bit shorter. We don't currently offer the 552 Series 1 handles. However, that is in development, and hopefully we'll be providing that here soon. But you can tell that the locking features, there's 4 little tabs that have to lock into the sides, and that's the same on both. So that slides into the inner plates essentially to lock that in place, whereas for the 1090s a little bit different. It's got this chamfered profile that mates up, larger diameter, and 2 locking features that seats into those 2 little plates on either side. The diameters are also a little bit different just because of the steel shafts that go through the 552 versus the 1090, a little bit smaller shaft compared to the 1090. So some key differences there, but otherwise, the product that we provide in terms of the knurling, the diameters, they're all comparable from 552 to 1090. So the part that you're actually going to interface with, in terms of the grip, is virtually unchanged or not different depending on what model you have. So yeah, just a quick brief description of the 2 to showcase in case there's any confusion or you're having a difficult time understanding which one you need and which one's applicable to your model. There are also some other videos that I have that specifically detail the differences in the 552 Series 1 and Series 2, just to make sure that you're getting the right handles here. But yeah, otherwise, if there's any questions, always feel free to reach out and email us or send us a message through our Etsy, and we'll happily get back to you. Thank you so much.